Hey, people, happy Friday. We got through the week. Yay. All right. So, this is a quick tutorial on how to fix the scenario where maybe somebody entered the data incorrectly, where they have, like, say, the word fever, and they have spelled fever with capitals in different places. So the capital problem is a issue because when you try to do analysis, SPSS will treat the text fields differently. So if you put caps for the F, the letter F in fever, in one entry, and you put, say, a lowercase f in another entry, SPSS will treat those two entries differently. They will have their own distinct frequency count, and it's kind of good that it does that because then you could catch it when you do your frequency statistics. So you see, oh, well, this shouldn't be here. This should be collapsed into this particular classification, right? So a way to fix the caps problem is to use what is called Upcase in SPSS. So it's found under transform, and what you would do is make a new variable, put Upcase, and then in the big box, right? And then in parentheses, put the variable, the variable that has an issue. Okay, in the parentheses, and then you say okay to that. And what happens if you look at step 3, you'll have a new column. That third column, is it third column or the second column? The second column, everything's in caps now. So when you go to do your frequencies in step 4, you're going to have one record where everything's collapsed because it's exactly identical, because you eliminated the issue where caps is being inconsistently throughout your file. And why is this important? Because a lot of times when I see a comment field and I see that someone has entered a word in different ways, it makes a problem when you're trying to analyze that comment field. Because you'll have, like I said before, some scenarios that will come out individually that should be collapsed, right? So this is just a brief tutorial for those of you who are using SPSS. I understand not everybody's going to follow this tutorial. This is a tutorial for students who are using SPSS. And next time I'll have a tutorial for something else that another group of people will be able to relate to. But this is a quick one, and thank you for listening.